Class Insights for Microsoft Teams gives teachers and educators access to data on student engagement and performance. Class Insights collects student activity in Teams like grades, assignment completion, communication activity and file collaboration, and presents it in an easy-to-read dashboard. Teachers can analyse and share data with other teachers or download it to an Excel spreadsheet. To add the Class Insights tab for your class, click Add a tab, search Insights and click the icon. Click the Add button and uncheck the Post to the channel about this tab button. Then click Save. Your Class Insights dashboard will now load. Only teachers have access to your Class Insights, and the data is not historic, it's only recorded once Insights has been added.